Creating hyperlinks. As we know that www World Wide Web is a collection of billions of web pages connected with each other through links available in form of images, buttons or text, etc. By clicking on this link, we can move from one page to another. These links are called hyperlinks. We can create links between the web pages using a tag. The a tag, also known as anchor tag, uses href attribute to link the web documents. It is a container or non-empty tag which encloses the object to be used as link on the page. Format: open a tag href equals to path of HTML document inside double inverted comma and text, close a tag. Example: we are going to change this text into hyperlink. For that, first you open Solar System web page source code. Here you remove this text first. Okay, now type, open a tag href equals to double inverted comma Mercury, close a tag. Now save your work. See, this text is changed and its color is also changed. Now when you are moving your cursor, see that arrow is changed into hand cursor. Okay, now click here. कोई दूसरा वेब पेज ओपन नहीं हो रहा है. Why? Because here we have not set the path, or we have not set the path of any other web page. Okay, so students, here I have already prepared one web page of Mercury. Same name we can type here along with extension. Now save your work. Now student, click here. See, Mercury web page of Mercury is open. Now student, you can add this Venus web page link and Earth web page link also. How? Do one thing, copy, paste. Here you change name Venus. Earth. Now save. Now see here, Mercury, Venus. Now here I am going to click on Earth. See, click on Venus hyperlink. We can also use the a tag to create links with the other websites or web pages on the internet by specifying their URL or web address as the href value. Format: open a tag href equals to URL of website inside double inverted comma text, close a tag. Open Google search engine. Here you type Mercury planet Wikipedia. Click on this link. Okay, now copy this URL and inside this double inverted comma paste here. Okay, now save your work. Open solar system web page. Click this Mercury hyperlink. See, now using image as hyperlink. We can use an image in a web page as a hyperlink. Format: open a tag href equals to path or URL of HTML document. Open image tag src source equals to image name or its path. Close a tag. Students, here I have already prepared one web page. Its name is moon.html. Now open this web page. See, moon. Now students, we are going to use this image as hyperlink. Okay, first you click here. See, कोई भी दूसरा web page open नहीं हो रहा है because we have not set any URL or any web page address. Okay, now open the source code. Okay, first you type anchor tag, open anchor tag, href equals to double inverted comma open Google search engine. Here you type moon Wikipedia. Now copy this URL address, paste here. Now students, cut this image as source equals to E drive image folder moon.jpg file. Now close this anchor tag. Now save your document. Now open this moon web page. Now click this image. See,